Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the capacitor in your wine cellar, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. Pull the appliance away from the wall or cabinet. Using a Phillips-head screwdriver, unthread all of the top mounting screws, securing the lower rear access panel. Fully unthread the right side mounting screw as well. Loosen the 3 screws on the bottom, and you can lift off the panel. Use a flathead screwdriver to help detach the retainer, securing the overload and relay cover. Remove the cover. Note the orientation of the capacitor wires connected to the relay, then detach them. You can release the potentially stored electrical charge in the capacitor by using pliers with an insulated handle to touch the ends of the wires. Now have an assistant help you to prop up the left or right side of the appliance. You can now use a 1/2-inch wrench to unthread the nut, securing the capacitor to the base. With the nut unthreaded, you can remove the old capacitor. Install the new capacitor by positioning it on the base. Make sure the washer is in place, then thread the nut to secure. Remove the support and gently lower the appliance. Attach the capacitor wires to the relay terminals. Reposition the cover and secure it with the retainer. Reinstall the access panel by aligning it on the bottom screws. Tighten the screws. Fully rethread the remaining mounting screws. Push the appliance back against the wall or into the cabinet. Plug the power cord back in or restore the power supply, and your wine cellar should be ready for use.